at the market, Tiffin County area. We look back 7 days. So we're going back November 1st, all the way back through October 25th. So 7 days previous. What's happened? What's come on the market? What's sold? What's under contract? What's available yet if you are still looking? And we're going to talk briefly here then too. I like to look at, see what people are asking questions about. Big question right now, people keep asking about a seller's market, a buyer's market. What does that mean? I'm going to dive into that a little bit just from a high level here, and we'll kind of leave that go. So stick around for that. So what's come up in the Tiffin County area here? We look back at the market and we're going to see here that there has been 5 new listings coming to market. There's a total of 56 properties for sale, Tiffin County area. And we are live real quick. Let me do a little housekeeping here. The audio sometimes at home, as you can see, gets a little wonky. So sometimes the video and audio, so just bear with us. But if you got any questions, pop them in there. We'll answer them as we go here. So there's 56 properties for sale. 19 of those are active. So that means that we've got 37 contingent and pending. That means they've already got an accepted offer on them. So of the 56, only 19 are available. Just in the last week, we've had 5 come on the market. Ones are coming soon. 2 of those are already contingent. So that means there's only 2 of the 5 that are really available as of yet. Back on the market, we had 3 come on, but I know 1 of those is back under contract, and 1 I think is very soon to be under contract again. So that might not be the case with that either. Only a single price reduction, 8 properties contingent. So above the homes that were on the market, we got 8 of them that are contingent. 5 more that are pending. 2 of those are sold already, and 7 sold properties. So again, that's just in the last week. So a lot of activity. What can you buy in that price point? So 100,000 and under. We did have a couple auction properties. Those are no longer available. So there's only 2 properties under $100,000. 11 from 100 to 200,000, by far our biggest category. And that's where most of the buyers are now anyways, in our area for the most part. So good news for them. 200 to 300, there's 4 properties. 3 to 400,000, there's only 1, and 400,000 plus, there's only the single property. So we'll get into that buyer to seller market here in just 1 second. So of the properties that have sold, on average, again, you can see 3 bed, single bath, mid 1,400 square feet, a little on the smaller side for what is sold. List price, $145,000, $107 a square foot list price. What does sold price put on selling? We're at $150,000 on average, $110 a square foot. I mean, that's bumped up quite a bit. So that's sold properties. An amazing, only 37 days on market. So that's that. I'm going to read you the definition of what this is here. So buyer's market versus seller's market. What does that look like? Buyer's market, demand is lower, inventory is higher. There's a long list of, or a longer list time, meaning time on market. Fewer offers, lower price point, and a lot more price reductions. I would not say that's what we're in now. Here, I'll let you be the judge. Seller's market, demand is higher, inventory is lower, shorter time, list time on market. A lot of times multiple offers and homes selling above list price. If you had to ask what's a buyer's market, seller's market here, I'd say we're definitely in a seller's market. Go a little deeper into what that looks like here. So get online. Bungalow here, they got some good info here. Just a quick thing. What is a seller's market? So in real estate, a seller's market occurs when there is more interested home buyers than available property. So simply supply and demand. So in other words, demand exceeds the supply, putting sellers at an advantage. What can you do then if you are a buyer then? So again, we're talking about property selling quicker, consistently selling above asking price, and sometimes bidding wars. We'll scroll on down here. What causes seller market? Low interest rates. Obviously, we're still in, money's still cheap if you're looking to buy a house. Growth in local job markets, which we do have that, Tiffin County area, and development limits. So, and that's pretty much where we're at now. It hasn't been a whole lot of new construction, and a few that we do have fly off the shelf. For tips for the sellers, putting your best foot forward. It's still, you're selling your home. You got to still put your best foot forward, do what you can. Buyers, we've beat this drum here then repeatedly. Get pre-approved, be prepared to move quickly, offer competitive terms, and be patient, remain calm, remain objective. Easier said than done, I know, but probably the best tips you can have as far as for making that happen and being a successful buyer in this tough buyer's market. Tough seller's market, being a buyer, I guess I'll put it that way. That is your money market update. We'll keep making sense of real estate as we go through it here. If you guys have any questions, want to hit any specific topics, we'll certainly do that, and we'll keep making sense of real estate. Thanks for stopping by.